In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate your rows or your columns here in Google Sheets. So duplicating your rows or your columns is actually going back to the basic of copying and pasting those elements. So if you want to do that with your rows and columns, it's going to be the same process. So let's say I want to duplicate a row in this spreadsheet. What I'm going to do is to select that row. Now your rows are represented with numbers on the left side. There you have it. So if you want to select an entire row, just click on the number and now you've selected that entire row. So if I wanted to duplicate this row number 4 right here, what I'm going to do is to right click on it, copy. And now if I wanted to replace something else with that same data, what I'm going to do is to click on that row, right click and select paste. And there you have it. Now we have a duplicate of row 4 on row 8. But what if I wanted to paste it in between 2 rows? So I still have that copied. What I'm going to do first is to, let's say, have it in between my row 7 and 8. Right click, select row 7, right click on it, and insert one row below. So depending on where you want to have that inserted, you're just going to select that. There you have it. And again, right click and paste. So now I have 2 duplicates of row 4. I have row 8 and row 9. So that's how I can duplicate my rows. And now we move on to our columns. So for our columns, these are represented by letters at the top. If we wanted to select an entire column, we're just going to click at the top where the letters are. And there you have it. I've selected that entire column. If I wanted to duplicate this, I'm going to right click, copy, then select where I wanted to paste it. If I wanted to paste it on column G, I'm going to right click and paste. There we have it. We now have a duplicate of column C on column G. If I wanted to paste that in between my columns D and E, I'm just going to click on column D, right click, and insert a column either to the left or to the right. That's totally up to you. I'm going to select one column to the right. There we have it. Then I'm just going to right click again and paste. So now we have 2 duplicates of our column C on column E and column H. And that's how simple it is to duplicate your rows or columns here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.